Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex setups for today. So, something's happened in Asia, and I'm not sure what it is, but Hang Seng's down 2% at the moment. We did get some surprises from the Bank of England yesterday on interest rate hikes. So, they did raise interest rates higher than expected, and then there was even some narrative running around that they were going to reduce interest rates. So yeah, that caught the market by surprise. And this after hours action that's happening now, I just have no idea what's going on, but it's quite aggressive across all markets, and nothing different on Euro USD. So wedge break happened, pull back. So I would still be playing the wedge, to be honest. Just look to the left. Where is the nearest bit of structure? And I just get one more in here because it's going to be something like that. If you look left, you can see all the potential support. So this is the retest that I'd be waiting for. So looking at the hour, we've started yesterday already, consolidated. Here's the after hours move, so it's not so bad on Forex at the moment, but we're coming back into an area of structure at the moment. So I'd be waiting for price action here. So inside bars, engulfing bars, pin bars, either at 109263 or at 109100 to see if we can get some support or a move to the upside. That's kind of the play. That would be the flag setup. Target is still all the way up here at 110670. So that's pretty much that long is in play as far as I'm concerned. US dollar Japanese yen. Yeah, wasn't expecting this move yesterday, but that's happened. We've got diversions forming on the 8th hour now, so that move could be coming to an end. And if we drop down to the 1 hour, hindsight being a perfect science, look at my oscillators. Trend is up. Should have been looking for structure, but based on the move, previous move, it was not structure. So we got above this area here, 141.890, which we spoke about, and then look at the 3 attempts here before running away. So there probably was a move there. Wasn't paying attention, but I'd be looking for a long entry at 142.347 at the moment. This is a big cup and handle here, which probably has played out. Let's check. It's 1,128 points. 850. So okay, so that's still got a way to go. Still a couple of points in this. So with that in mind, you could count this as a range here. Break, retest of right where we are, 143.080 area. Then you've got the cup and handle target still to play out. So that is this one here. And this is classic. Just fall short of the target, then pull back, gather steam, and then sort of exhaustion bar up, or just a quick push up to get to the target. So that long is very much in play. Just I would not be expecting a break of 143.410. I'd expect a deeper pullback from there at least. Moving on to British pound Japanese yen. It's starting to look like a double top formation here. Diversions forming, battling to get above. Where are we here? I don't have a level there, but we are battling to get above this area here. And that is 182.130, but the trend is up, and it's up until it's not. So if you look at the hour, you'll see there's the Bank of England interest rate announcement. Complete chaos. Nobody actually knows what the hell's going on. And now we're just back in this area here. I'm a little bit skeptical about the pound at the moment. I think I'll rather give it a day or two just to find its feet before getting into this. So I will be sitting on hands and assume this is a range for now. Moving on to Euro British pound. So obviously the same kind of setup. There's Bank of England noise, and failed to hit the area that we're actually waiting for a proper rejection. Look at my oscillators at the moment. So this is fairly interesting. Fairly interesting. There's my previous swing high. Look at my diversions there, and I have this kind of rejection bar and selling happening here. So this could be a little bit better. No, I don't like it. So yesterday was, you can see the chaos here. Big range bar here and then sideways. So same scenario here. But basically what I'm going to do is just ignore it. This range bar is a range. So until we break through this range bar, there's nothing really on offer here. I'm not going to jump in after this, especially not the way that we are in amongst the moving averages here. Anyway, that's it for me this morning. Pretty much just the dollar that we're looking at, and more leaning towards sitting on my hands. Hope it helps, and if it does, drop us a thumbs up, say hi in the comments, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Enjoy your weekend.